The NBA Finals start today, and we're taking it to the hoop this week on the Circuit News. From the latest basketball designs to high-tech performance analytics software, engineers are changing the game of what's possible on the court. The Sacramento Kings may have lost in the first round of the NBA playoffs, but they're still known for shooting a giant purple light beam into space after their 48 wins this past season.
Light that beam!
Instead of LED lights, the beam is made of 4 lasers that focus the light in one single direction. Using 1,800 watts of electricity, it's the brightest full-color laser setup in the world. Plus, the Golden One Center is all solar-powered. Check this out. What if you never had to do this again?
And? You're pumping it?
Wilson created a 3D printed airless basketball made of a special material that supposedly gives the ball the same weight, feel, and bounce as the classic one. It's made over a bed of powder, where a laser etch sketches a pattern in 2 dimensions until it creates a 3-dimensional ball. Houston's Kenyon Martin Jr. premiered the Wilson Airless prototype this season. And while we don't know how the ball will affect an athlete's grip when they sweat or shoot from half court, the new technology is expected to revolutionize the sport. From classic leather basketballs to new and improved sneakers, the world of hoops is constantly evolving. But what about the players themselves? Vanderbilt University engineers teamed up with Noah Basketball to create an app that can give a player data-driven feedback on their shots.
And I think what that's going to do is create the ability for people to get access to information about themselves and how they play, and now they can get coaching that maybe would be, something that they would never have access to otherwise.
Noah Basketball is an organization that uses cameras and cutting-edge software technology to calculate shooting statistics for NBA and NCAA players during practice. Now, regular players can take that technology right to their home court. You simply place your phone on the sidelines, and the Hoops app uses AI to analyze thousands of data points in real time for every shot you take, and gives you pointers on how to shoot like Jason Tatum or LeBron James. White and his team hope their research will help show athletes the correct, or at least a better way to take it to the hoop. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to put yourself right in the middle of some of the NBA's greatest moments?
James up and under, throws it off the backboard. Fantastic move. Final seconds, Reeves. It'll count if it goes. Oh!
Last February, as part of the NBA's All-Star Weekend, Commissioner Adam Silver teased the future NBA app experience. Using LiDAR technology, you can capture someone's 3D avatar with a smartphone in a matter of minutes, and then... Thanks for joining us. That's all the time we have this week. Don't forget to follow us at Circuit News TV.